Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there. What are the energies for Geminis? Okay, let's see what's there for Geminis. What are your energies, Geminis? So on your side we have the Nine of Pentacles. So you're focusing on yourself, spending time with yourself, perhaps taking a break from something. Let's see what's there on your person side. Okay, we have the Five of Wands. So there has been some conflict, some argument, something has happened over here. Let's see the most likely outcome in this relationship. The Three of Cups, yes, there is a reunion coming in. So with the Nine of Pentacles, you are focusing on yourself. You are giving time to yourself, spending time with yourself, just maybe taking a break for something. And here with the Five of Wands, some argument is there, some conflict, I've already told you. Let's see, what is this Nine of Pentacles here for? Why is this Nine of Pentacles here for? So for the Nine of Pentacles, we have the Nine of Cups, the Hermit, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay, so you are focusing on your own self. That is what your intuition says, that you are focusing on yourself. You want your own happiness, and you are spending time alone. Definitely, either you are trying to find some sort of a solution, you are thinking about something. Your happiness is of utmost important as far as you are concerned. You are spending time with your family and friends, and that is what you are doing. And then here we have the Magician. Definitely you are manifesting something. You are manifesting your own happiness as far as these cards are concerned. Okay, so let's see what is this Five of Wands about on your person's side. What is this Five of Wands on this person's side? What has happened here? We have the King of Wands, the Emperor, and the Empress. Okay, it seems to be a powerful couple over here. And the Sun. Okay, so maybe what I feel is it doesn't seem to be a very big thing with the five, though the Five of Wands is talking about the conflict, but what I feel is this conflict can be regarding it can be because there is maybe this person is too controlling or dominating. That is why something has happened over here, and maybe they tried to dominate you or boss you around. They wanted to have their own way. It can be something like that. I really don't see it something too significant or major there, but yes, there is a lot of passion over here with the Ten of King of Wands and the Emperor, definitely, and the Empress being there, and the Sun card. I really don't think there is anything to read over here. It's definitely a new beginning which is going to have a lot of happiness. It's going to give you a lot of happiness. So I think it's not something too big. There is a lot of passion over here. This person is ready to have a new beginning. They do view you as their person. They view you as their Empress. That is how they view you. They really want a new beginning with you. You are really a source of happiness. Something must have happened which you may not have liked, but I really don't see anything significant. Okay, it's just something transient and temporary. And the most likely outcome is the Three of Cups. So definitely parting, spending time together again, and a reunion. So what is this about? So what are the just see Five of Wands has again popped up. So you have fought over something, maybe some sort of a disagreement on something. Let's see what is this Three of Cups about. So for the Three of Cups, we have the Eight of Wands, the King of Wands here, the Knight of Wands, and the Star. So what I feel is both of you will talk about it. There is a lot of passion over here. Both of you will talk about it because deep within both of you want this reunion. Both of you want this reunion. Both of you want to get back. It is a temporary phase. Yes, see the Queen of Wands. So we have that passion is definitely there in this relationship. Things will be sorted out with the Six of Pentacles being there, Four of Cups. Both of you are feeling very, very depressed. It's not easy for you to get over this fight. It's both of you are, though you're not talking to each other, but yes, it's not easy for you, and you will be able to get that reunion, and you will feel successful and happy in this. And with the Ace of Wands, definitely there is a new beginning coming in. So let's see what is the guidance from the universe for you. I love you. These are the powerful words. Number 20 may be of some significance for you. So, Geminis, what I feel is it's whatever has happened between both of you, it's something transient, it is something temporarily. It keeps on happening in a relationship. I really don't feel there is something to worry about over here. This person really views you as their source of happiness, and they really love you, and they are ready to have a new beginning with you. They will definitely coming in. In the meanwhile, you are focusing on yourself, so keep focusing on yourself. But yes, you are also manifesting a new beginning. Both of you will talk about it, I think, and get back again together. None of you is happy without each other. So Gemini, it's a beautiful reading. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.